Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a text on your TikTok video. Subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open TikTok app. Then click the plus button at the bottom. Then record a video. Then on your right, click where it's written text. Then you can write anything you want. You can also change the font if you want, but I will choose this. Then also you can choose where, if it's your text will be, if it's in the middle or on your right or on your left. And then you can also choose the color of your text to maybe yellow or red, to any color that you like, and then click done. So this is how to add a text on your video. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.